What's up YouTube, John Viet here, back with a brand new video. Today we're going to be cleaning the world's largest bounce house. Here in Tampa, Florida, this is called the Big Bounce of America, and they hired my pressure washing company to pressure wash all of this and keep it nice and maintained for this weekend's event. So I'm going to show you guys our rig that we're using for this job, and as well as some footage to go ahead and show you guys exactly how this is done. All right, so this is one of the largest bounce houses in the world that they found from my online marketing. They contacted me with the online form, and we basically filled it out, told them how many gallons of water we can hold at a time, and we have a 500-gallon tank. All of our equipment here, hot water, 2 pressure washers. What ended up happening is they hit me up out of the blue about a few days later saying, hey, are you still good to do that job? Looks like the cleaning we did today, and then the event opened up literally later that day, and then it's going on until, this entire weekend. So they just wanted like a spot treatment, and they paid us per hour, and we were there for a few hours. So if you guys are thinking about getting into this business, you're going to come across these awesome experiences. And this was definitely cool because you got to meet the owners, and they invite you back to come enjoy it with all of my family, bring the kids and the wife and all that stuff. So this is definitely an awesome experience to, really get into and just make those connections with those business owners. Right after this, we went out and we bid a big restaurant here in Tampa, one of the best steakhouses, award-winning for the past 2 decades. So it's just cool to kind of meet those connections, and as a business owner, especially in pressure washing, to be able to clean these exterior services. This is one of the most unique parts of actually owning this business. If you guys are interested in getting customers just like me, I do offer a service where I help set up your Facebook advertisements. You can hit that first link in the description. Also, you can go ahead and join my free Facebook group at Pressure Wash Community to see all of my testimonials, and just hit a call with me. We'll get on the phone and I'll share with you everything I can do to help you scale your business to start getting jobs just like me. You've seen me literally this week post 5 new videos every single day. We've been out working about 3 to 5 jobs per day. So if you're interested in that, now's the best time to go ahead and help me set you up. So send me a message, or I have a few other options in the link in the description. I do have a 50% off my Facebook ads course right now. The sale is $100 off, just a one-time of $99. So that's something else to consider as well. I'm going to go ahead and roll some music here, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the different style content. Please subscribe, like, and then also drop a comment what you think of the new video.